Hey guys, it's Rita. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are a subscriber. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you join. I will be bringing you another fall DIY today, so stay tuned and we'll get right to it. So my video is starting off a little strangely. I'm having trouble with my lighting, but I am going to be using 3 of the Dollar Tree foam pumpkins. I'll also use moss in the Waverly chalk paint, and then in the apple barrel I will use linen white and pavement. I'm going to paint each pumpkin a different color, and you can see that one pumpkin over there I have cut the top out, and I'll be placing a little tea light in there, one of the automatic ones, not a real one. So I do end up applying 2 coats of each paint to each pumpkin. And this is the apple barrel in pavement. And here I'm just kind of playing with them to see how I want to stack them. But I do still have to paint the other one white. I'm sorry I've got you guys off camera some. This is not a perfect video by no means today. And now I'm going to go in and put a second coat on each pumpkin. I did take the stem and put it back in. Leave it in there till you get through. It's much easier to hold and paint with the stem in. I'm being impatient today, so I will use the blow dryer to dry the paint faster. And now we'll start placing the pumpkins. I will hot glue them to each other. And then I will use some hot glue, leaves, and a few little things to decorate them. I am using this little base that I have, and I did go over it lightly with some of the pavement paint. It was a solid like off-white color. And I will also be placing some leaves around the bottom. And here it is, guys. I think it turned out really cute. Simple little farmhouse pumpkin DIY. I will hit the lights in a minute and show you how it looks in the dark. I hope you enjoyed this DIY today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, thanks to my subscribers, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified of my upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.